Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this, so let me quickly open that up. And from here, all you need to do is press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a sound along with the little image visible right here, and after a couple seconds it will disappear. Now additionally, there is two options that were visible in here, so I'm going to capture one more. Oops, let's try it again. There we go. So we have share and also scroll. Now the scroll option is actually quite handy. As you can see, it allows you to capture a long version of the screenshot. You can tap on the screen to stop it from scrolling, and you can move it down yourself, however far down you want to be more precise with the actual scale of it, or how far you want it to go down. And from here you can select done and click on the checkbox right here to save it, and there you go. You have now captured a long version of the screenshot. Now the scroll option will not always appear. If you don't have a content that can be scrolled down, it won't show up. So if you can't see it, that's probably why. And sometimes it is a little bit wonky if you have two different sides that you can scroll up. So if you have some panel right here and also content, it might not show up as well, because it might be looking at a side of it that cannot be scrolled, even though, for instance, majority of it is scrollable. So if you're having some problems, that might be the reason for it. But anyway, that is how you capture a screenshot. Now the screenshots that we have captured can be found in our gallery application. So I'm going to quickly open that up, which, there we go, we can go to our collections, and we should have, there we go, screenshots album. And in here we'll have, as you can see, two screenshots. So there is the long one that I have captured, and here's the normal one. So that is how you can capture your screenshots on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.